Electronic circuits play an important and indispensable role in modern machinery and equipment. The production of electronic circuits requires high technical skills and complex processes. In this video, join me to learn about the mass production process of electronic circuits in a modern factory. First, engineers in the factory must design the circuit on a computer. From the available principal circuit, they use specialized software to simulate the design. Next, the software assists them in arranging components appropriately to create the most optimal circuit. When the arrangement is completed, the components are connected to each other through connections, which are the electrical circuits later. Copper cladding sheet is an indispensable material in the production of electronic circuits. To produce circuits, large copper plates will be used, and they will make many small identical circuits on the same copper plate at the same time. To begin the electronic circuit manufacturing process, copper-clad plates are first fixed on precisely programmed drilling machines. Based on data from engineers' printed circuit design and simulation software, the drill will automatically select the appropriate drill bit to drill component holes on the copper plate. Thanks to that, drill holes are created with high precision. Next, these copper-coated sheets are coated with a film. You see it in black, but actually it has all the circuit lines that have been pre-designed on the computer printed on it. The copper corrosion process also begins. The copper coating plate is in turn passed through a chemical solution. Thanks to the ink layer on the film, the circuit lines will be retained and the rest of the copper layer will be corroded to form electric circuits. Next, the circuit will be covered with a layer of blue paint to protect the circuit from oxidation. And finally, the laser machine will remove the paint layer to reveal the necessary parts. Next in the production process, the design circuits are covered with a thin layer of tin on the component pins. The computer will automatically check to make sure there is enough required amount of tin. At this stage, the process of attaching components to the circuit begins. The machines will automatically and accurately attach components to the circuit. Thanks to advanced technology, components are placed in the correct position with high precision, ensuring the quality and performance of the electronic circuit. Next, the machine will attach some components with pins such as capacitors, resistors. Once installed, the circuit is passed through a tin furnace. The high temperature in the furnace melts the tin, tightly attaching the components to the circuit board. The liquid tin below will help attach the components with pins, ensuring a solid electrical connection for the entire circuit. Once soldered, they go through a test to help ensure the component pins are in the correct position and all solder joints are complete. Although modern machines do most of the work, there are still many difficult to attach component locations on the circuit that the machine cannot handle effectively. Therefore, they are mounted manually by skilled workers. These workers use specialized tools and follow strict testing procedures to ensure that every component is properly and securely attached. After attaching the remaining components, a small welding machine will take over the task of soldering all remaining component pins. This welder is designed to reach tight spots and perform welding with precision. Finally, the small circuits produced on the same copper plate will be separated into individual circuits. This process is performed using specialized cutting machines, ensuring the circuits are separated accurately and without damage. Separating individual circuits facilitates packaging and shipping, ensuring each circuit reaches the customer in perfect condition.